Welcome back to Factic, where we break down the latest in home entertainment and audio technology to help you build the perfect setup. In 2026, one debate still dominates the living room: wireless versus traditional home theater systems. Today, we're putting two popular and very different solutions head-to-head: the Platin Milan 5.1 wireless surround system and the JBL Bar 9.1 Dolby Atmos soundbar system. Both promise cinematic sound, immersive surround effects, and easy installation, but they approach the problem in completely different ways. One focuses on true discrete wireless speakers, while the other relies on a powerful soundbar with detachable rears. We'll compare sound quality, surround accuracy, bass performance, connectivity, setup experience, and everyday usability. So, if you're upgrading your home theater in 2026 and want to make the right choice, hit like, subscribe to Factic, and let's get into the comparison. The Platin Milan 5.1 and JBL Bar 9.1 are both premium home theater solutions, but they are designed for very different users and room environments. Starting with the Platin Milan 5.1. This system is built around YSA wireless audio technology, which allows each speaker to receive high-resolution, low-latency audio without the need for a traditional AV receiver. Instead of running long speaker cables, the system uses a compact hub that connects to your TV via HDMI ARC or optical input. From there, audio is transmitted wirelessly to all speakers. The Milan system includes 5 dedicated speakers and a wireless subwoofer, creating a true multi-channel surround experience. Each speaker is individually amplified and operates on its own channel, which results in precise sound placement. Dialogue stays centered, ambient effects remain clearly separated, and directional cues feel natural, especially during movies and games. Because every speaker has a fixed position and dedicated channel, surround accuracy is one of Milan's strongest advantages. In terms of audio formats, the Platin Milan 5.1 supports Dolby Digital and Dolby Atmos via compatible TV output, offering immersive sound without the complexity of a receiver-based setup. While it doesn't rely on up-firing drivers, the system compensates with clean spatial separation and accurate imaging. Bass from a subwoofer is controlled and tight, designed to blend smoothly with the satellites rather than overpower them. Design-wise, Milan focuses on minimalism and flexibility. The speakers are compact, neutral in appearance, and easy to place in smaller or medium-sized rooms. The only trade-off is that each speaker still requires a power outlet, which is something buyers should consider during installation. The JBL Bar 9.1, by contrast, takes a more traditional soundbar-centric approach. It combines a large front soundbar, detachable wireless rear speakers, and a 10-inch wireless subwoofer into a single package designed for maximum impact. The system delivers high output and supports both Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, making it compatible with a wide range of modern content. One of JBL's key strengths is sheer power. The Bar 9.1 produces room-filling sound that feels bold and cinematic, especially in larger living rooms. Explosions hit hard, music sounds energetic, and the subwoofer delivers deep, physical bass that movie lovers often prefer. The detachable rear speakers add convenience. They can be placed behind the listener for true surround sound and later dock back onto the soundbar for charging. This makes the JBL system more flexible for users who don't want permanent rear speaker placement. However, the JBL surround performance relies more on processing and reflection rather than true discrete channels. While Atmos height effects are impressive, especially from the up-firing drivers, directional accuracy isn't as precise as a system like the Milan, where every speaker operates independently. Connectivity is another strong point for JBL. The Bar 9.1 supports HDMI ARC, Bluetooth, Chromecast, and AirPlay 2, making it ideal for streaming music and switching between devices quickly. Setup is extremely simple, requiring minimal calibration and almost no manual tuning. In summary, the Platin Milan 5.1 excels in precision, clarity, and authentic surround separation, making it ideal for users who value accurate sound placement and a clean wireless layout. The JBL Bar 9.1 focuses on power, bass impact, and convenience, making it better suited for larger rooms and users who want a single, all-in-one solution. So, that's our 2026 comparison between the Platin Milan 5.1 and the JBL Bar 9.1. Both represent the future of home theater, but they cater to different priorities. The Milan is perfect for viewers who want true wireless surround sound with precise channel separation and a minimalist setup. The JBL Bar 9.1, on the other hand, is ideal for those who crave powerful bass, cinematic loudness, and effortless installation. There's no wrong choice here. It all comes down to how you watch movies, play games, and enjoy music in your space. If this comparison helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Factic, and let us know in the comments which system you choose. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next comparison.